Good morning, everyone. So we'll start with global market update for today. US stocks slump in August kickoff as data reignites a slowdown worries. Wall Street fear got jumps to 3-month high as stocks resume slide. Global equities dropped on Thursday, with Wall Street's major indexes selling off as US data sparked economic worries, and financial stocks in Europe saw their biggest one-day rout since March 2023. Treasury yields plunged following the weak data, with the US 2-year to 10-year note yields dropping to 6 months low, below 4%. Oil futures finished lower as global supply seemed largely unaffected by worries of a broadening Middle East crisis. Oil set to fall for fourth week as demand concerns weigh on sentiment. Japan stocks plunged 5% with Asia market broadly lower. Gold lingers near 2-week high as focus shifts to US payrolls data. Dollar gains on geopolitical tensions, pound slips after rate cut. So that's about global update. Let's look into Indian market. Though yesterday it gapped up, but it remained quite flat throughout the day. Nifty closed around 59.75% positive, 0.24%. For today, the resistance could be yesterday's high, 25,000 level, followed by 25,200 level. The downside, we can expect it to take a support at 25,900, followed by 24,800 or 24,700 level. Let's look at the option chain quickly. Right now it's trading near 25,000. Both support and resistance lies on 25,000. So either side it breaks, the market may move that side. If we see there is some support is being resistance is being built near 25,500, but we are not seeing any support on the downside. So if it breaks below, and so market may slide today quite a bit. Bank Nifty closed pretty flat with 10.6% only positive. And for today, Bank Nifty levels could be resistance could be at 51,861 or 51,900, followed by 52,000 level or 52,200 level. On the downside, you can expect it to take a support near 51,384 or followed by 51,150 level. Option chain, it shows 51,500 as a support and 52,000 as the resistance level. So if market supports at 51,500 and it is able to protect it, probably we can expect Bank Nifty to move towards 52,000. If this breaks, then probably market may slide further below 51,500 level. We saw some good corrections in mid-cap Nifty after a strong rally for last 3-4 days. It corrected almost 500 points yesterday. So for today, the levels looks to be near the previous day high. Of course, it would be 59,163, or it could be somewhere in the middle of the yesterday's rally at 15,900 level. As far as support is concerned, it could be support at 58,000 level, followed by 57,700 level. So small cap Nifty has also slid around 187.70 points. So we saw some good corrections in small cap as well. So for today, resistance could be near previous day's high 19,200 by 19,800 level. And on the downside, we can expect it to take a support at 18,852, followed by 18,750 levels. So these are the information about the indices levels. Now let's look at the sectoral information. If we look at the indices here, some profit booking are seen in Nifty and mid cap also we are seeing, but there are still some opportunities left. Little bit room is still there by looking at the green spots here. But if you look at the other sectors, Nifty mid cap select still looks to be having a good opportunity. We see some opportunities still available in IT, pharma, and Nifty auto, FMCG, infrastructure, Nifty media, energy, consumer durables, commodities, oil and gas, service sectors. So these are the sectors are looking like have good opportunities in these sectors. If we look at the delivery data, trading has seen good positive delivery, followed by power and mining, and then healthcare. Yeah, only few sectors have seen good positive delivery. So today, a possibility is there that market may stay muted or maybe slightly bearish view as of now, as we are not seeing much good positive deliveries today in some of the sectors that we have been seeing since past 3-4 weeks. So my view is today's market may slightly be negative, looking at the delivery data. As far as the basket call is concerned, so Tata Group stocks remains the basket call for this week, and expected return is 8%. Looking at the performance reviews, a large cap it is still at 3.30% positive. Auto is 3.70% positive. Private bank is at minus 1.39%. FMCG at 3.71% positive. Pharma at 3.58% positive. Tata Group is at 0.63% positive.